Hey guys, today we're going to shoot a neat little pistol. Now this is a Ruger 2245. It's a target model, but what makes it neat is it has a 4-inch barrel on it. And when I first seen this, I thought, man, that looks pretty cool. So I picked it up. In fact, I bought this in 1998. This model here was made from 1992 up until 2005. Now in comparison, here's a Browning Buckmark. This has a 5.5-inch barrel. And here's the Ruger 4-inch. So you can see there's quite a bit of difference there in the two guns. Really like this gun. Let me show you something here real quick. One thing I like about it is you can take it down or take it apart without any tools. Now there's the target sights. It's got the heavy barrel on it. Very light polymer frame. It's got the magazine release, safety, and bolt release on it. You'll notice the grip panels are actually molded right into the frame, so they are not replaceable. So to put this back together can be a little tricky, but once you've done it a couple of times, it's really not too bad. If you have a problem, there's probably a bazillion videos on YouTube show you how to do it. A couple little tricks though. Make sure the hammer goes forward and point the gun up, slap it back together, and you're ready to go. Comes with a 10-round magazine, and you know what, I think that's about it. Let's get over to the range and put some rounds through this. You know what? That was a lot of fun. That was a blast shooting this little gun. I'll tell you what, this little 4-inch barrel, man, don't let it scare you. This is a good, accurate, reliable pistol. Takes a little practice to get used to the short sight radius, but you know what? Really a good, excellent gun. Hey, we'll see you guys next time.